Have you heard that Bitcoin halving of 2024 is having crypto miners migrating their equipment overseas? Watch this video to find out why this is happening. Before we explore the topics in more detail, make sure to check out our previous video on Bitcoin halving. The 2024 Bitcoin halving is an event of seismic proportions for Bitcoin. Set to occur on April 19th, it is going to slash the crypto mining reward from 6.25 bitcoins to 3.125 bitcoins. This has all Bitcoin miners standing at a crossroads, especially for those in the US. Why? With the Bitcoin mining reward cut in half, it's becoming more challenging for them to keep their operations profitable, especially with the current prices of electricity. That is why miners and mining companies are moving over 600,000 mining computers overseas, mainly to Africa and South America. Ethiopia in particular is shaping up to be the next hot mining destination due to its low energy prices per kilowatt hour. Other hotspots where miners are looking to capitalize on lower electricity costs include Tanzania, Uruguay, and Paraguay. Another interesting development is the migration of about 6,000 refurbished mining rigs that use older, less energy-efficient technology from the US to other countries. The buyers in those countries are not only seizing the opportunities of mining for Bitcoin at a reasonable price, but also acquiring those machines at a reduced cost. This puts them in a great position to navigate the challenges set by the approaching Bitcoin halving event. It seems that the wheel of fortune is always spinning for Bitcoin miners. The halving of 2024 is not just a test of endurance and profitability, but an opportunity for reinvention as well. This video is produced solely for educational purposes and should not be viewed as financial guidance. We encourage you to conduct thorough research and exercise caution before making any investment decisions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos on Bitcoin halving. And feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. And as always, see you in the next video.